Alright, so this is rescue armor helmet, paper pots. This is from do 3D STL, which is this is not made by mine. Sorry, this is not made by us, Hyper Studio. No, this is we bought from do 3D website. So okay, as you can see here, this split can be opened, and then this back plate on the back side can't be opened for a while because I want to make the surface smooth, just like this fish shell. See, so shiny. On the back side, still 3D printed. Okay, so this is still under progress. I still did not have any time to make this finish. So if you want a 3D printed helmet just like this, just comment below and I will give you my contact so you can order this one from me. Oh, by the way, this is not for wearable helmet. This is for head bus. I will make 1-to-1 size head bus, so which is it will be like this, I think, because of the helmet and the chest and torso. That's all. The arms I will not make it, so the chest, helmet, torso and the shoulders. That's all. Yeah, it's going to take a while.